wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back with another banger. You know, people I don't know where I deal with today. Yeah, man, people I don't know how I'm going. Yeah, man, like what? This is what, like what? 30 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. Yeah, 15 minutes ago, Tamale dropped a new song entitled what? Rep Where You Stay, featuring Gingerbread, man. So we're gonna check it out and see what I'm going. Is it we're done? You want to say yo? But before that, definitely take time to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, turn on the post notification bell. You know, help the channel grow. Yeah, man, people, but you don't know if I want to go on. Yeah, man, Tamale and Gingerbread, man, drop a new tune. Yeah, I'm Rep Where You Stay, and we're gonna check it out and see what I go and see if it's a vibe, see if it's a hit or miss. I don't know the regular thing. You don't know. Yeah, see me, cause I don't know the music thing set. Yeah, see me, the man, I come with some new style and some new flow, so we want to see what I'm going on. You know, see what vibe is. We can jump right now. We don't hold up the time.
Yeah. Catch up. Load up them K's. Got Draco bullets for days. Little blind boy better behave before I have my killers flying in on planes. You heard what I'm saying?
Oh snap! Okay, so Gingerbread Man is a rapper. Okay, all right.
Nah, I ain't playing. Me and Tommy pull up on your block and start spraying. How you feeling like it's 4th of July? I just want to see you die. I heard you was a pussy in school. Think you tough cause you got your tool.
I heard you was up in school. Think you're tough cause you got your tool. Hey, come on.
Yeah, I've been bad since you. Stand still, watch I shoot. Stand still, watch I shoot. Rep where you stand, dog. Rep where you stand. Come and leave, dog. Rep
Rep where you stay, dog. Hey, you can't play with Tamale, you know, Tamale, hey. Tamale, we fit any beat, no matter what it is, Tamale, you know, we mold himself to fit, but you can't ramp with Tamale mad.
where you stand, dog. Rep where you stand.
Tamale too versatile, for real.
Come and leave, dog. Rep where you stand, dog. Rep where you stand. Come and leave, dog. Rep where you stand, dog. Rep where you stand. Come and leave.
Easy no man, they are different. Yeah, man, a lot of people gonna probably be like, yo, that one on garbage, but it's not garbage, that one are different. You see what I say? Yeah, man, a lot of people don't like things when things different. You know what I'm saying? They start hate before then they understand. You know what I'm saying?
Cock me face, me shoot him. Plan that the dead, me recruit him. Tuxedo now, you girl after my things off a suit him. Skin up peel like a gold case. Shot peel them like a fruit them. Pull up with the mat like a cook them. Make crack man insipid and ruthless. Some boy them.
Easy. Yeah, yo. Don't ramp with the blower, Sparta and boss. I'm too.
Really mix up, dog. Man, the talk, he make it tough. If me can't catch quack or dog, trust me, me shut up and shut.
Me can't catch quack without me shut up his shot, hey man.
Some decay was sing sweet and put to sleep like Jigglypuff. Me boy big catch a fire like the weed where Jiggy.
When you say the chopper sing sweet, put him to sleep like Jigglypuff. Don't play with Tamale, you know.
If I'm wiggling up, rep where you stand, dog. Rep where you stand. Come and leave, small dog. Rep where you stand, dog. Rep where you stand. Come and leave, small dog. Rep where you stand, dog. Rep where you stand. Come and leave, small dog. Rep where you stand, dog. Rep where you stand. Come and leave, small dog. Rep man a killer. Man a killer.
Nah, like, first me about the artist are still Gingerbread Man. You know what I'm saying? But hey, the man Tamale, you know, make a look, you know, different combo, you know what I'm saying? It's a different combination, different style, you know what I'm saying? Hey.
Man a killer. Man a killer.
For your steer. Yeah, man, people you don't know, that was Tamale, Sparta, and Gingerbread Man, that one they name Rep Where You Stay. The one is a little bit different, you know what I'm saying? Not the typical type of tune that I expect from Tamale, you know, or dancehall overall, but you know, yeah, it's different. It's a vibe still, you know what I'm saying? Most people are not gonna like it because, you know, that's what they used or what they expected from Tamale, but I can see, you know, it's get a little bit creative, step a little bit outside of the box, you know what I'm saying? And I guess he's giving a highlight to this new artist, Gingerbread one, and you know what I'm saying? But yeah, overall, there's a vibe. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know, say at Jambisco send you. Definitely let me know what you think in the comment section. Chop it up. You know, hit that like and subscribe button. Help your boy grow. Help with YouTube algorithm. You know, we're on the road to 5K. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and I'm smashing that banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.